it is August Paletteful Packs. All right, so it feels it feels heavy, but not like super heavy. So it feels heavier than medium. Let's see. Should I guess? So heavy, so paint, some kind of paint, acrylic paint maybe? Oh, oil paint, okay. Yikes. Oh, I hate that color. Ooh, I like the sticker. Cute. There's a lot of stuff in here. All right, so we got a panel, a canvas panel. That red stuff must be the crink. Also on the sticker. That's cute. I think that. And we got some smaller ones. And what is this? Feels the same on both sides. Gesso board. Huh. It's weird that is it two? It's exactly the same on both sides. That feels wrong. Okay. We got, all right, let's do the brushes. So, we got, did I just get one of these? Extra soft. I think I did get some. I don't know. It feels oily. Feels nice. What's it say it is? Yeah, oil pencil. Black. Extra soft. Another one of these slanty brushes. And bright oil brush. So it's that rough hair. And these two, we got a little flat. Just a little flat. Size 4. It's very cute. And a round, oh, that's not very good condition. This should have had a little thing on it. It's all fuzzed out. 2/0. I don't know. All right, so that's very tiny. And we got Daniel Smith linseed oil. Let's smell it. I can't open it. Ugh. Ugh. Yep, smells like linseed oil. And we got Winsor & Newton oil colors and Williamsburg handmade oil colors. So permanent yellow light and Sevres blue. And Winsor & Newton. Burnt umber, yellow ochre, viridian hue, French ultramarine, cadmium red deep hue, and cadmium yellow pale hue. Alright. Should I swatch these? Alright, so this is the pencil. I love these pencils. I wish I had like a million colors because they just feel so nice. They do smudge a little bit, but they're just so nice. Let's see. So yellow. That's nice. I don't know why we needed 2 blues and 2 yellows though. It's weird. Maybe they just had some extras laying around. Oh, they mix nice. All right. Oh, I haven't painted with oil in so long. It's weird because that yellow is not that different. Let me use a finger that hasn't been used yet. I mean, it's more vibrant, I think. It's a little warmer. I like this one better. And then there's the yellow ochre. Apparently, I'm supposed to paint bananas this month. Brown. we doing? This ugly green. Oh, I hate this color. Oh my god, it's the worst green ever. Ew. I think, and it feels greasier than the other ones. It feels very greasy. I don't like that. If I'm gonna do a green, I'll mix those two. And blue. Why do these feel so good? These two feel particularly greasy for some reason. And the red. I'm gonna have to mix all my colors apparently. Ooh, that's a nice red. Ah, gorgeous. So these are my two favorites. Although that blue's pretty. So now I have to come up with something to paint. I'm guessing it's going to be a face because that's generally what I paint. So, yeah, I guess I'll do like a speed draw, paint, whatever. And I'll come back and talk about it at the end. And this is linseed oil you use to, instead of like with acrylic you'd use water, so you use linseed oil. You can use a bunch of different stuff. But linseed oil is the first thing I ever used. It sometimes can turn, no, that's not right. It can turn the painting yellowish if you use too much of it. But the smell always reminds me of high school when I used to do more oil painting than I do now. So, all right, so I will come up with something. I'll speed it and then I'll come back and talk about it. All right, I'll see you in a minute. I can't finish this because I'm not going to be able to finish it within the time that is going to be ready for the video to come out. So, oh, I didn't know that was a big globby yellow. Although this is starting to dry a little. Okay, maybe I can do a little more. This is super wet. And my first thing was, I started this and I thought, oh yeah, I'll let it dry for a day. And no, it takes forever to dry. Because I used a lot of the linseed oil and I didn't think that it was gonna, I didn't think. I knew that it would probably extend the life of it. But this is actually pretty dry. It's been a couple of days. It's been like 2 or 3 days. Is this dry? No, because I really wanted to work up here. Well, the first thing I did was I put down the drawing in that, in this pencil, which was fine, except this is oil-based, so everything got like a black shadow to it, so, it's okay. I can go over it later, but I had issues with, well, first of all, I had to add my own white because they gave you no white with this little setup. Made in France. I thought they were British. It doesn't say on here, but these seem, I am not a big fan of Winsor & Newton. It's just a thing with me. The only thing I've ever loved that they did was liquid watercolor, and that was like 40 years ago. It seemed like when I was putting it down, it just was taking I just needed a ton of it to get any kind of coverage, and it was really thick, so that's why I added a lot of this. But then it takes forever to dry. The color itself isn't awful, but I don't know. It might just be that I'm not used to working with oil again. But I did tend to like these a little bit more. And these are the Williamsburg Handmade oil colors. I just think it's a different formula. I don't know, I just like these better. I don't know, I'm not gonna be able to finish this because I've got to put the video up. So, all right, so this is like what I did underneath here. I used two things that weren't in the box. I used an acrylic, I don't have it here. I put a flat acrylic background. I don't know why exactly. I do know why I did it. I did it so that if there were any white spaces, it wouldn't be white. It would be a different color, and you know, I'd be able to, I don't know. I see other artists doing this when they do an oil paint. They do like an acrylic background, so I just went, okay. And sometimes they even do an acrylic first layer, and then they put oil on top of it, which is new to me. I never did that, so I just thought I would try that. So, okay, so as far as I got, it was fine. Yeah, this is fully dry over here. But this is the part I was going to work on because it's so thin. You can see, you can really see the color underneath. This is fine. I just used, I guess I used too much of it. The brushes I used were the two smallest ones, and those were fine. These are the Robert Simmons brushes. And this is the larger board. And there's another pack that came with it that was smaller. And did the gesso one come with that too? Maybe I should have used that one. I don't know. I gotta fix that. So, I don't know. Sort of a weird kind of inconclusive box because I can't, it takes more than a week to do this. So, I guess that's it. I feel bad not finishing, but I can only wait so long. And, I mean, I could try to do a little more. Yeah, it was very weird not to have any white because it's impossible to do a portrait. Because although you do have a yellow to light it, it turns everything yellow. So if you, unless you want just a warm color portrait. This just seemed a little more solid. And these seemed a little more oily, I guess. I really just wanted to fix this eye because it looks really strange. I'm not sure what my thinking was. I was maybe thinking that, I think my thinking was that the paint just seemed too dry to give any good coverage. So that's why I added the amount of linseed oil that I did. But it also made it really thin and thinner than I wanted because it's transparent down here, and I didn't mean it to be. It should be the same as up here. And it's really hard to add to it while it's still drying. I mean, it's a little better, I suppose, than it was. It's nowhere near done, so don't think this is done. See, it keeps coming up. I'm so not used to working with oil. That's my excuse for this. Because I figured if I put down thick, like, it would never dry. I didn't think it being thin, it would never dry either. I suppose you have to do this in layers anyway. Yeah, I don't think I've ever done, have I done oil before? It doesn't seem like I've hit this problem before. But, all right, I think that's about as good as it's gonna get. So, sorry about that. Maybe I'll add a little brown to fix that yellow spot. I saw that spot the other day and I was like, what is that? And I thought, I'll just let it sit there. I thought it was just thick paint. But anyway, you know what? It would have kind of been fun if I just used the pencil and just used linseed oil to do a picture with that. If I thought of it at the time, I would have just done that on one of the smaller pieces and just used, like, made it look like kind of like a line drawing. But anyway, sorry, I couldn't finish this piece. But that's my thoughts on this. I'm not a big fan of Winsor & Newton, but I like those. I like the brushes. I like this. And like I said, I think I got a couple of these at some point. recently, because they're kind of fun. They're oil pencils. So. And the brushes, of course, those are nice. I didn't use them all. I only used the 2 small ones. And I had to add my own white. And my own, well, I didn't have to add this. So, sorry. I feel bad. I like to come out with a finished piece at the end, but sometimes you can't. So, anyway. So hopefully next month will be something I'll be able to finish. They probably won't put oil again for a while, so. All right, thanks for watching anyway, and I will see you next week. Bye.